Welcome to Sec Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see CBSE Grade 10 Max Unit 9. Cosecant theta equal to 3x, cot theta equal to 3 over x. What is x squared minus 1 over x squared? What is x squared? Okay. What is x squared? Cosecant theta by 3. Okay, that is x. X squared is cosecant squared theta by 9. What is 1 over x? 1 over x is cot theta over 3 is equal to 1 over x. Cot squared theta over 9 is equal to 1 over x squared. So x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 1 over x squared they are asking. So x squared is cosecant squared theta by 9. 1 over x squared is cot squared theta by 9. Take 1 over 9 out. Cosecant squared theta minus cot squared theta. This is a very famous formula. 1 over 9 cosecant squared theta minus cot squared theta is 1. So it is 1 over 9. If cosecant theta is equal to 3x, cot theta is equal to 3 over x, what is x squared minus 1 by x squared? This is the question. Okay, x is, I rearrange cosecant theta by 3. 1 by x is I rearrange, 3 over x is I rearrange, 1 by x is cot theta over 3. I square it in both sides. So 1 over x whole squared is 1 over x squared. So cot squared theta over 9. X is cosecant theta by 3, x squared is cosecant squared theta by 9. Just I take common. What they want, x squared minus 1 over x squared. Okay, next one, cos 60. First of all, you need to memorize, recall all the sin 30, 45, 60. Cos 60 is what? It is nothing but 1 by 2 sin 30. Okay, minus cot 45 is 1. Cosecant 30 is what? 1 over sin 30. Cosecant 30 is what? 1 over sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 is 1 by 2 will be 2. Secant 60. Secant 60 is nothing but 1 over cos 60. Cos 60 is what? 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 over 1 by 2 is 2. Tan 45, 1. Minus sin 30, 1 by 2. Okay, it will be 2.5 minus 1.5. So denominator, numerator will be 3 by 2. Here 3, 2.5. Here 2.5. So 5 by 2. So it will be 3 by 5. Okay, don't get confused. 2, 2, 1, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, cut. No, it is not possible. This is the way you just add everything and do it. Thank you for watching. This 2 trigonometric questions, CBSE Grade 10 Max. We did it. See you.